this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop and delete viruses from affecting your Samsung phone. So if you're getting a bunch of pop-ups and everything is just super annoying, you can't control your phone whatsoever, the first thing you want to do is actually put your phone into safe mode so you can locate this app and actually start deleting things. So you can see I'm on the home screen here, swipe on down for the top right. And my phone is a little bit slow because I have a cheap A16. But when it loads, go to the top right and go to power. You can hold down on the power button and the volume down, and it should open the power menu. If it doesn't, you can just swipe on down from the top right and go to power off. Just hold down on this and go to safe mode. So this is going to disable a lot of different applications. So if you downloaded a virus and you're getting a bunch of pop-ups on your screen, it should delete those pop-ups for the moment until we can actually find what it is and delete it. So we're going to be brought to our home screen. We're not going to be connected to the internet. We're going to have to disable airplane mode if we want to connect to the internet. However, we're not going to be able to go to like a web browser or anything like that. And we can go to the Google Play Store and we can see things on there. But if we download an app through there, we're not going to be able to use it anyways. So one thing we will want to get is AVG, antivirus and security, just to find and locate any kind of viruses and delete them. So my phone is now restarting into the safe mode, and you know it's safe mode because it's going to say safe mode right here. And then we can go to it, and the phone is starting. Once again, slow phone here, and you can see airplane mode is enabled. There's a little airplane right there. You can see immediately Samsung Internet is disabled, and a lot of these Google applications are too. Now if we go to the top, we can scroll on down, we can see safe mode on here, we can disable this, and we're connected to the internet right there with Wi-Fi. Now scroll through your phone and look for any kind of application that you think you downloaded recently that is giving you problems. So you can look on your home screen, swipe left, swipe right, and then you can go to it and delete it. Here's the Google folder. So you can see this isn't shaded at all, but I still can't click it. Can't click YouTube or anything like that, or Gemini. So this is all disabled. And we want to go up from the bottom. Here's our app list. Look in all these different folders too. Here's Microsoft, I don't see anything. Look in this folder, Google, don't see anything. And just scroll through this list and delete anything that is off or just odd. So I got this compass on there, easy screen recorder, Samsung Pass, okay. This is looking pretty good. I got this X booster, I don't know what this is. I'm going to delete this right here and get rid of it. Now you're not able to access your downloads or your My Files. So if we go to Samsung folder and we go to My Files, we're not able to access this. We want to do that when we restart a phone, just to be safe. But now that we disabled airplane mode, we should be able to go into the Google Play Store and still search for AVG. And we can go to this. And we want to go to AVG Antivirus and Security. And if we have the option to install it right now, go ahead and just install it. Here's AVG Cleaner. We can install this one. So we can install it right now. Just make sure you turn off airplane mode. And I know this is on my phone, so when we restart it now, we can immediately run that. Then we can go to the top right and go to settings. And we can go on down. And Samsung actually gives us a nice feature where we can back up our phone for 30 days, all the data. So we can go through here. First, we can stop at Google services. If we are using Google as our backup options, we can go to all services and go down to backup. Here's the backup option for that. We can just turn on backup right here, and it should back up our phone information to that. If we're running out of space, we could try disabling photo and video backup, but if we want to save our apps and call history and device data to this, we can too. So you can just turn it on right here. You can see I'm full on storage, so that's not going to work for me anymore. But let's go on down to the bottom to About Phone. Scroll on down to the bottom here and go to where it says Reset. And then we have Temporary Cloud Backup. We can go to here and just go to Backup Data. if you read what it says, you got 30 days of unlimited storage, just so you can back up your entire phone to this right here. We got calls, history, etc., our images. So I don't have a lot. I can just back this up right now. I'm not sure what's going to happen, how long this is going to take. Well, that didn't take very long at all. Oh, now let's do my contacts. So it's going to go through each thing at a time. So we can see keep screen on. So this might take a little bit of time, so I'm just going to back out here. So back up all your data right here, and then we can come back into this section. And there should be an option to retrieve your information if you ever do reset your phone. And then if things still aren't working, we can go to where it says factory reset right here. And just delete your phone, sign in with your Google account, your Samsung account, and then come back here. And then you can just retrieve all your information. So this is probably the easiest way to do it for your data backup. Looks like it's done. And then I can just restore all the data right here. So that worked out. Wasn't too problematic. So if you got your phone calls, your pictures and videos, you can look at that. Now let's go back under here. And we should be good backing everything up, reset it. Now we want to get out of safe mode. So we probably found the virus and we deleted it now, but maybe we didn't. So let's just go to power, and then we can go to restart. So there's two things we weren't really able to look at is our files, or we weren't able to access the internet browsers, and we're not able to do an AVG security scan. So those three things we want to do when our phone restarts. So if you're using like Google, you're going to want to go to the browser history and just delete all the cookies and anything that may have downloaded by accident through there. If we're using Samsung internet browser, we're going to want to do the same thing in there as well. So just give it some time for your phone to restart out of safe mode. But hopefully you at least deleted the application that was doing all the annoying pop-ups. And sometimes, it just is so much. So safe mode can help stop that immediately. So waiting for our phone to restart. Once again, slow A16 here. Phone is starting. And then you can go to the AVG app. I'd probably just run that right away. Do that as soon as you got it. So we can go to the app list and locate it here. It should be on the bottom or the back side here. So I got the cleaner. I want to go to AVG. I accidentally click on the AVG cleaner. But go back here and then go to the other app, AVG antivirus security. And just run this. Now, you don't have to buy this. I don't know what's going on here. Why this is being so goofy. Now, you don't have to buy it. It's going to give you many different options. Just hit the X and go to continue with ads. So let's open this up one more time here. And then it should allow you to do a virus scan right here. Hit the X. Don't go to anything. Let's go to resolve issues. Scan again. 2 core issues found. So I just did a scan before I started the video. And it's going to say notifications are disabled. So once we turn that on, and then web shield. So I don't need the web shield on. That's fine. So just run scan right here. And you should be good to go. And this is completely free to use. If an ad pops up, you can continue with ads. And here's an ad, which is fine. It will get rid of the virus and quarantine it for you. So go through AVG, hit the X, continue with ads if that's an option, accept any kind of permission. And then finally we can go to the Samsung internet right here. And then we go to the 3 lines on the bottom. We should be able to. And then go to settings. And then we want to just delete the browsing data on here. Personal browsing data, delete browsing data, and then delete this data. So we got all time selected on the top, delete. So if we downloaded something through here, maybe some sort of website that was given an issue, we shouldn't have an issue with that anymore. We can go back, and we go back here. We should be able to see downloads. Maybe we downloaded something here, so we can see Epic Game Store. So you might have a virus just sitting in here, and you can just delete it, delete the files. So you can just go to it and cancel it out and delete, otherwise it might infect your phone again. And we want to do the same thing with Google right here. If we were using Google before, go to the top, 3 lines. This one's a little more simplistic. Delete browsing data. 15 minutes all time. More options. Okay. We got last hour for some reason. Let's go to all time. And then delete all this. And you might see the same thing under here for downloads. Got no downloads in here. Good. So the last thing we can do is swipe up from the bottom. And we want to locate files now. So we can go to My Files, and there might be something just sitting in here. Just check all these different categories. You go to Recent Files right here, and you can see if anything downloaded that's kind of strange or malicious, and just delete it off your phone. Now if you do find something in here that's kind of strange or malicious, here's the APK files. It's not deleted yet. You have to go to your trash can and delete it off your phone. So it's going to be in your trash can. Delete your trash can history. So here's downloads, for example. Let's go to this contact stuff. Delete it here. It's going to be moved to the trash can. Then we want to come in here and we want to delete it too. So those are some options. If everything doesn't work, to back up your data and then factory reset and retrieve your data and sign in with your passwords and your email addresses. And you should be able to retrieve all your pictures and stuff if you are using Samsung. Just make sure everything is backed up on there first before you delete everything. And then you should be able to retrieve it. It says unlimited storage for 30 days. So just check that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.